Welcome to Vital Tutorials. In this video, I'll introduce you to Major Issues tab in Item Testing. After adding a Major Issue in Items tab, Vital will load the Major Issues tab, showing the details of the issue. To the left is the Results grid, in which you store all the results related to this issue. Since it is a new test, the grid is still empty. In the center of the screen is the Navigation grid, where you can find the related items for the issue. You can also load the following item lists here: top 10 causes, products, bacteria and custom dilutions. In this area, you will find the controls of the navigation grid, and they are 1x1 mode, clear selection, add to test result, split, switch, drill down, back, refresh and hide or show items. Notice that for some items in the grid, there is a green arrow beside the item, which means there is more detail available for this item, and when it is added to test results grid, the system will drill down in it to show you more detail about it. By default, the automation will be on, and Vital will initially load the items related directly to the main issue, which in this case is the organ. For some items, Vital will show the 4 factors and Vital Force dialogues automatically after setting the item as a test result, then it will drill down to its related items. And for others it will load the top 10 causes list in the navigation grid. For example, if you take a 50 reading on colon, then Vital will set colon as a test result and it will open the Vital Force dialog. It will also open the 4 factors dialog. And finally it will drill down in it. Click on Back button, or press on F9, to get back to the previous list. Remember that you can see the action that is going to happen from the label here. Notice that after adding colon, it no longer appears in the navigation grid. To show all filtered items, click on Hide Show button, or press on F11. To delete a test result, right-click on the test result you want to delete, click on Delete. To see the deleted item back in the navigation grid, click on the Refresh button, or press on F7. To activate the 1x1 mode, click on the button beside the grid, or press on F12. In 1x1 mode, you can take readings on items 1 by 1. For example, if you take a non-50 reading on an item, the system will move to the next item automatically. Notice that for some items, 1x1 mode selects a group of items, instead of one item at a time. You can configure this from the Data Management dialog. You can navigate to the top 10 causes list by clicking on this button, or by pressing on F10. And you can navigate to the products list by clicking on this button, or by pressing on Alt-M. Sometimes you will notice a star beside the product name, like in acidosis group, Vitamin Complete. This means that this product is frequently used and more common than the rest of products. When you are done from this issue, click on Next Issue button, or press on F3. This button will load the Items tab again to find the next issue. When you are done from item testing, click on the Balancing button, to start balancing EDS points, to make sure that you have covered all issues in item testing. Thank you for watching this tutorial.